Question. P.S. The distance between -9 and 3 is 3 times the distance between x and 0. If x is negative, what is the value of x? Solution. The distance between x and y on the number line is given by absolute value of whole of x minus y, or absolute value of whole of y minus x, since absolute value of whole of x minus y equals absolute value of whole of y minus x. First property of absolute value. If n is even, then an nth square root of a to the power of n equals absolute value of a. Now, absolute value of a can take 3 values. Absolute value of a equals a when a is greater than 0. Absolute value of a equals 0 when a equals 0. Absolute value of a equals negative a when a is less than 0. We have to find the value of x if x is less than 0, and the distance between -9 and 3 is 3 times the distance between x and 0. Whenever you see the term distance in the question, be sure to change the values into absolute values. Now, the distance between -9 and 3 is absolute value of whole of -9 minus 3, which equals absolute value of -12, which equals 12. And the distance between x and 0 is absolute value of whole of x minus 0 equals absolute value of x equals -x, as x is less than 0 by the above property. According to the given information, 12 equals 3 times whole of -x, or 12 equals -3 times x. So x equals 12 over -3, and x equals -4. The other way to solve this question could be absolute value of whole of -9 minus 3 equals 3 times absolute value of whole of x minus 0, which simplifies to 12 equals 3 times absolute value of x. And we get absolute value of x equals 12 over 3, which equals 4, or x equals plus minus 4. Since x is negative, x equals -4. C is the correct answer. Answer C.